Hello and welcome back to Debbie J's Crafting Corner, where I show you that if I can make it, you can too. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm doing an unboxing for some nail products because I decided to try out some polygel and some new gel nail polish. I have been using some gel nail polish for a little bit. I've got a UV lamp from a previous purchase where I just decided to buy a cheap set because I just wanted to use the UV light to do a little resin crafting. Anyway, here is the video. I'm going to be just doing an unboxing of the resin products and the gel polish to let you see what this company called Makartt, M-A-K-A-R-T-T, what kind of products they have, because that's what I'm trying out today. They did not sponsor this video. I purchased all of this myself based on a recommendation from another YouTube video that I watched, I don't know, a few weeks back. This unboxing actually happened on April the 20th, and I've been using the products ever since. I went ahead and placed my first order with Makartt. Now, I will go ahead and disclose this. I have not tried any of their products before. I'm going based on recommendations from a YouTube channel. It's Kelly Marissa, I believe, and I'll leave a link down to one of her videos down below so you guys can check her out as well. So I'm going based on that. But I also went ahead and signed up to be an affiliate for Makartt so that when I purchase from them, I'll get a little bit back. And if you decide that this is something you want to give a try, I mean, we're DIYers, we're crafters. We can figure out how to make pretty much anything. So why would doing a DIY manicure be any different? It's just going to take some practice, just like with everything else we do in crafting. Let me go ahead and show you what I got first. This one is the nail polish, nail gel polish. And this is something that you do cure with a UV light. Okay, first thing you probably notice is you can't see the colors. The reason for that is that if any light gets into them, it's going to cure it and you won't be able to use it. So here is my pretty minty color. There we go. So it's kind of a minty blue, and you can tell just by the circle there. These do not have any color numbers on there, but they do have, color names. They have color numbers instead. So I've got a blue, a minty-ish blue. These are all pastel spring colors too, and then I've got green, and then kind of a peach, and an orange, and a purple. So, of course, the minty one is probably the one I'm going to try out. So that's the first part that I got. I also decided that because I have such weak nails, that I wanted to try something different to try to make them appear stronger anyway. Like I said, the gel polish has been working, but sometimes I get some lifting, and I've bought a couple of other products from Sally's so that hopefully I can take care of that. But this part I decided to do because you can build up your nail bed, or build up your nail rather. And these are what they call polygels. Now I have no idea if this is going to work for me. I am going to give it a try though. It's got this nice little manual in there. But basically what it is, this is, if you've ever had an acrylic manicure, you saw that they had that powder that they mixed with something and then they put that on your nail to basically shape it. Well, this is similar to that. At least that's what I've seen in the videos. It is similar to that. This is already in that paste form. And then we've got some little nail forms that are down underneath here somewhere. But there's nail forms that are basically going to shape the nail for you. So that is something that's going to make this a lot easier than me trying to create my own acrylic nails. So I'm going to give these guys a shot. But anyway, I did want to share that with you guys. If you do any kind of crafting, you know that your nails can kind of get yuck. We want to try to keep them looking nice, and this I think may be a better, longer lasting solution. Because I wanted to do that sanding thing, I decided I was going to try one more thing, and these were basically, everything was on sale. So every time I've seen a nail tech, well, it's been 10 years since I had a manicure done. So the last time that I had one done and I had the acrylic nails, they use their nail drill, and to me that looks a lot like a Dremel, and I have a Dremel that I have cleaned up, and these are some little adorable little nail bits. They are all unicorn, basically have a unicorn finish on there. And I thought, okay, so I could get, because they were cheap, these are the ones that are basically used for doing nails, including a little brush to brush all that extra powder off, and I believe these smaller ones are like for cuticles. And these are carbide, these are tungsten carbide, so I figure that they're going to last longer than some of the other things. So these are going to be used specifically for my nails. I don't want to use any crafting or woodworking type of Dremel bits on my nails. That just would not be good. So that's basically my little Makartt haul, and if you guys are interested in this kind of video and want to see kind of my progress along, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If there's something else that you're doing that maybe I haven't heard about, there's something else you're doing to keep your nails nice and strong and looking nice through all of the glues and picking things up with your nails and all of that stuff that we do. I mean, probably one of the hardest things that we do all the time, that we do repetitively, is try to remove the backing on all sorts of different adhesives. I mean, come on, and getting our hands all inky, which ruins our nails sometimes too. So if there is anything like that that you guys have done that you think that might be interesting to me or anyone watching my channel, please let me know down in the comments, and I will look into it and probably share it on a future video. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.